Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pumpkin pie with condensed milk. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, make sure you have a 9-inch unbaked pie crust. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's prepare the delicious filling. In a large bowl, combine the 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree with the 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Crack in 2 large eggs and whisk them well. Next, add your spices: 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Once your filling is perfectly mixed, carefully pour it into your 9-inch unbaked pie crust. Place the pie on a baking sheet. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After this initial bake, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for an additional 35 to 45 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. This ensures a perfectly set pie. After baking, it's crucial to let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This allows the filling to fully set and achieve its ideal texture. Once cooled, slice and serve with a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or your favorite topping. It's truly a delightful dessert. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin pie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.